Hello, in this video we will be creating a solution to the 19th problem of Project Euler. So, let's begin with creating a list called months. This will store the month data. Now that we've created it, the months variable, I will actually tell you what the problem is. You have to have a look at how many Sundays fell on the first day of a month during the 20th century. So, if my mouse reappears, we'll make a variable called Sundays, and then we'll make a variable called day count. It will contain the days. I had to make it -2 because my code likes to start on Wednesday. So we'll begin at 1901 and end in 2002. Now we'll add support for leap years. So now we are currently just finishing up our implementation and for the leap years. This follows the Gregorian calendar rules. Every 4 years we add an extra day, but not every 400 years. So now we're going to iterate through every single month. We'll begin at month 1 and finish at month 12 because remember it subtracts 1 from this value. Now this will iterate through every day, and the length of the amount of days is determined by our months variable. And then if the day is a Sunday and the day is the first of a month, we'll add that to our count of Sundays. And then we'll add 1 to our day count, so it always gets it correct. And then we'll print the amount of Sundays. We get the answer 171, which if we put into the answer, you get it correct. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.